Hey YouTubers, Danger Hungry is here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made mango fried rice. My boyfriend and I went to a Thai restaurant called Spice Room with our friends and he ordered a mango fried rice and it tastes so good. Sorry we don't have a video or a picture of his dish cause I never thought of making mango fried rice for a video in the first place. The way how I make it won't taste the same as the one in the Thai restaurant because we don't know what's in it. So I'm gonna make it my way. Let's get started. Warning, I make food and drink look and taste very delicious. If you watch my cooking videos, I'm not responsible for your cravings. Thank you and have a nice day. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, spread around on a medium heated pan. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Stir around until you smell the aroma. Add a half cup of tofu cut into mini cubes. Cook for 5 minutes. My boyfriend likes the tofu to be soft, but if you want to make it firm, cook until the tofu turns brown. Add half cup of mixed vegetables. Cook until the vegetables become soft. I don't know the exact time because every stove is different, so be careful on how long you cook your proteins and how long you cook your vegetables at the same time. Add half cup of chopped mangoes. Stir for about 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. The fish sauce is optional, but you can skip if you want to make it complete vegan. Mix until everything is well coated with the sauce. Then add your 2 cups of rice. Mix until the rice is also well coated. I added a little more rice because there were some sauce left and I don't think I put 2 cups because I eyeball it. And it's done. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.